In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the no-code Chrome extension builder, which lets you create custom AI Chrome extensions with no code in under 10 seconds and save you time on repetitive tasks. So if you've already clicked this button, you're all good. You need to have this file ready because this is the file we're going to use to install the no-code platform for your Chrome browser. So before you watch this video, make sure you watch the one on this page, which is the first link in the description, and that way you will see what the power of this tool is. But let's show you how to install it. Let's zoom in here. The way to install extensions in Chrome, ones like this that are not through the Google Store, is you click the three buttons here and then click on Extensions, Manage Extensions. Then you have to make sure that developer mode on the top left of the screen is on. And the reason why you need developer mode is so that you'll be able to do the following, which is to load an unpacked extension. The extension we sent that you downloaded just now will be like this, and it's packed. We need to unpack it. The way to unpack it is to right click and click extract all, and then select a location that will be memorable to you. You can extract it in the same folder that you downloaded it. Once you've clicked extract, you're done and you're ready to come back here and click load unpacked. When you click load unpacked, you will find the folder which you just unpacked. You click on it, double click, and then you click select folder. That's all. You will now see your Chrome extension right here in the list. However, in order to see it up in the top right of the screen, which is the way what you want, you have to click on this button here, extensions, and then make sure that this is pinned. Once this is pinned, you will see that the Chrome extension joins your browser. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Now, just to quickly show you, for anyone who hasn't seen how this works, you just highlight some text, click on the Chrome extension, and it will perform the task that you have asked it to do in one click based on the prompt you provided and the automation you provided. So there's two things you can do with this app: create unlimited types of bots and also create automations like this one you can see right here. So in this case, we created a translate to Spanish tool, and also we created an automation which will load when the page loads. It's as simple as that. If you want the extension to work on all Gmail type links, you have to just delete this part of it, and then it will work whenever you click the Chrome on any Gmail page. If you don't do this, it will only work on this page. If you change this and click save, you will now be able to use this automation on every single page. Let me show you one last example. Let's say you wanted to answer this email. You just click on the Chrome extension, answer my emails, click answer my emails, and it will answer the email. And if you want it to be automated, you just need to make sure that you add an automation to load on every email, and then this can become your email responder. Thank you for watching this video, and bye for now.